Good afternoon, everybody. Here's one more example of one of our big blocks. This happens to be one of our 454, 550 editions. Just got done making 590 horsepower, 590 6 foot-pounds of torque. Phenomenal, awesome build. Again, almost every engine out of here now goes out of here with an EFI system on it. It is the way to go if you ask me. I mean, it takes a little longer to tune them and get them dialed in. But man, once they're in the car, that's where the magic starts. And that's where you want the magic. You want to turn that key and go. So again, if you're interested in any one of our build packages, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace.